Hello students, welcome back to our English class. So in this video you are going to learn a new poem. This is the first poem of this term. So the poem topic is Be Honest. Okay, so in this poem you are going to see the conversation between mother and his son and her son. Okay, the conversation between Amma and a son. Okay, so be honest. So we have to be honest. In the previous lesson itself we have learned we have to be honest in everything. Honesty is the best policy. So in our life we have to be honest. Okay. So in the first para, Amma will often say, be honest all day. So Amma will often say, so our parents will say good to us, right? So Amma will often will tell to the son, be honest all day. She wants her son to be honest all day. So still troubles make me fall. I want to be truthful to all. So for Amma's advice, the son is replying, still troubles make me fall. So in everyone's life there will be a trouble which makes us fall, right? So still troubles make us fall. I want to be truthful to all. So the boy wants to be truthful to all. Still troubles will make me fall. Okay. So Amma will often say, be honest every day. So again in the second para, Amma is advising. Amma is often say, be honest every day. So to say truth when I am wrong, I may have to be 18. So this boy is a little boy, right? So this is not the correct time to take a strong or to take a matured action. So this boy is telling, to say the truth when I am wrong, I may have to be 18. So even at the time of 18 years, I may get to know the correct way of to be honest. Okay. So in the next para, to Amma I often say, don't you hear them lie? So in this para, the son is asking his mother, to Amma I often say, don't you hear them lie? She says, many may lie and go, but honesty will help us grow. So the son is asking her Amma, some may tell lie, right? So for that, the mother is replying, she says, many may lie and go, but honesty will help us grow. In our life, many will come, many will tell lie, and they will pass away, they will go. Okay, but honesty, being honesty will help us to grow in our life. Okay, in the next para, at last I have this to say, I don't lie to this day. The trick is the rhyme. Let's try this one day at a time. So at last the boy have to say this. What he is saying, I don't lie to this day. He'll never lie. The trick is the rhyme. Why he will never lie? Because the trick, what is the trick in the poem? Be honest. Okay, his mother will often say, she will say, be honest every day. So the trick, honest will never make him to lie. Okay, so let's try this one day at a time. So the boy is telling, let's try this trick one day at a time. At a time, one day also you can try this trick, be honest. Okay, so once again I am reading this. Amma will often say, be honest all day. Still troubles make me fall. I want to be truthful to all. Amma is saying, be honest all day. So the boy is replying, still troubles make me fall. Still troubles comes in my life and it will make me fall. I want to be truthful to everybody. The boy is replying like this. So Amma will often say, be honest every day. So again Amma will often say, be honest every day. To say truth when I am wrong, I may have to be 18. So to choose the correct action in our life, it will take 18 years. Okay, that's what the boy is also saying. To say truth when I am wrong, I may have to be 18. So to Amma, I often say, don't you hear them lie? So now the boy is asking his mom that, don't you hear someone telling lie? So for that, his mother is replying, she says, many may lie and go. Many person will come to our life, many person will lie to us and they will go, they will move out from our life. But keeping honest, being honest will help us to grow in our life. Okay, at last I have this to say, I don't lie to this day. So till this day the boy is not telling any lie. Why? Because the trick is the rhyme. The mother is telling often that be honest every day, right? So the trick, be honest, this made this boy to be honest. For this this trick made this boy never lie. Okay, so let's try this one day at a time. So the boy is telling, let's try this one day at a time. Okay, so in this first para, which is rhyming word? Yes, say and day. It sounds similar. Okay, say, day, fall, all. Say, day. Okay. In the second para also, say, day. In the third para, you can't see anything. And in the fourth para also, say, day, then rhyme and time. Rhyme and time. Last two line you can see rhyme and time. So these are all the rhyming words. Okay, now we'll move to our glossary part. Often means frequently. Amma will frequently, she is telling that to be honest. Okay, troubles, difficulty or problem. Troubles means difficulty or problems. Troubles means difficulty or problem. Lie, a false statement. Lie means a false statement. Grow, improve, grow, improve. Trick, technique, trick, technique. Okay, so the rhyming word, say, day, all, fall, go, grow, rhyme, time. Okay, so what is the moral of the story? Anybody will come in our life, they will say lie, we should not look at them. Okay, we should be honest ourselves. This honest will make us to grow. Okay, so everyone should be honest. Okay, this is the moral of this poem. Honesty is the best policy. Okay, thank you, students.